Jesus said to his disciples, "Do not let your hearts be troubled. Trust in God still and trust in me. There are many rooms in my Father's house. If they were not, I should have told you. I am going now to prepare a place for you. And after I have gone and prepared you...
Mrs. Johnson?
I shall return.
Donovan?
Mrs. Johnson, what a lovely service.
It's not finished yet, Donovan.
No, but look. I've been thinking. We're both single, available people with needs and desires and requirements. And when we put our cards on the table, we will see that I is a man, you is a woman, I is a bull, you is a cow, I is a bear, you is a female bear. It's time for a spot of hibernation. And put it another way, fate has thrown us together. Who are we to fight fate? I'm not a fighter, I'm a lover. I'm the heavyweight champion of love. I am Muhammad Ali. You are George Foreman. You scratch my back and I'll rub yours with a delicate mixture of jasmine, lavender, and bijou hail. And I'll rub and rub and rub.
It's all right, Uncle.
I'm sure your uncle will not begrudge us these deliberations concerning our mutual participation vis-a-vis sexual relations. After all, he is a man. He enjoys the company of women. Well, he pays for the company of women, but my point...
This is not the time or the place.
Come on. I is a man. You is a woman. I is King Arthur. You is the round table. I is a teapot short and stout. Here's me handle and here's...
And now, Mrs. Johnson will say a few words about her late husband.
I will keep your seat warm for your baby, all right?